Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload your own music to Spotify. So let's get into it. First of all, run Spotify on your Android device. Tap on the settings icon in the top right-hand corner. Go to local files on the list of options. Underneath, you should see show audio files from this device. Switch this on. Proceed to your library. Find the playlist that contains the uploaded music. Download the playlist. You can stream uploaded music just like any other songs on Spotify, or organize it into separate playlists for easier access. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.